Hi everyone, I've put this little collection together. It's called the Roller Set Collection. You know, so often when you're setting hair, you can get amazing different results. And so many young hairdressers today seems to think that setting hair is irrelevant. Well, it's not. If you love dressing long hair, you really need to understand how to set hair. Now, I've used in the hair, I've got a red roller, a blue roller, and I've got a white roller. The white being the smallest, so wherever I use the white, I want extra strength. Where I use the blue, I just kind of want that little bit extra support in the middle of the hair. And wherever I've used the red, I kind of want to smooth the hair out more. So you can use the equivalent normal rollers, Velcro rollers, in your wet setting if you wanted to. Now, I call this collection my Power Collection. So this is a collection of set hairstyles that I think you might enjoy. Let's have a little look. For our fourth hairstyle, we're going to do a hair up. Now I'm going to start off with the back area first. So I've taken out a very large area on the top. Can you see as well, I've just dragged my hair rollers off base on the sides. Now the top area, I'm just going to put blue rollers on the top. So here's our set. There's the side. You can see I've dragged the rollers right back because really all I want is a little bit of turn on the ends of the hair because this hairstyle is going to go up. The top area I've set on blue, so a much firmer roller on the very, very top, going back from the front all the way back to behind the crown. Now this is quite an important set because it shows a clear indication of what I call a drop set, and it's a drop set at the back, which means the rollers do not sit on base. They go back off the base, and this is going to make it nice and easy to do a beautiful comb up. So we're going to have a pleat at the back and a beautiful bouffant on the top. Let's have a look.